We're learning about windmills. Have you ever seen a windmill? Perhaps you've even been inside of one. Have you ever wondered what they're used for? Windmills can be found all over the country and definitely in other places of the world. But did you know that there are different types of windmills? Windmills are used to harness the wind's energy. That energy can then be used to power machinery used to do different jobs, for example, to grind grain, make electricity, or even move water. When the wind blows, it causes the blades or sails of the windmill to turn. Using gears and cogs, this then turns a centre shaft. The centre shaft is connected to something that needs energy to work, so for example a millstone or a water pump. And as the shaft turns, it causes these items to turn or work as well. So for example, the millstone crushes grain, separating the husks from the flour. It powers a pump which moves water from one place to another. These are the parts of a windmill. Stop and have a really careful look at it to see how it works. Windmills were invented as a way of using nature as power rather than having to use human energy. The first windmill had rectangular-shaped blades. Windmills were used in England and other parts of Europe from the 12th century, so that's a really long time ago. The first windmills were made of wood, but since then they've been made of bricks, stones and steel, as we can see on our wind farms around Ashurst. Traditional windmills use has fallen since people began to use steam power and later electrical power. So the main types of windmills are a post mill, a tower mill, a smock mill. Most windmills today are used to produce electricity without causing pollution. Wind turbines are a type of modern windmill. They are used to create mechanical power that can be changed into electricity, which is used to power homes and technology. And we see these all around us. Because wind occurs naturally, it will never run out, so will be used well into the future. Fan mills are much smaller than the other types of windmill and are mainly used to pump water. Some wind turbines have arms that are longer than a football pitch. Some non-working windmills have been converted into homes. Would you like to live in a windmill? There are lots of stories of windmills in them and songs about windmills. A windmill in Old Amsterdam, the Little Red Hen, etc. Can you think of any more?